Universally connects to any manufacturer's load center, breaker box. Easy to use. High-quality product. Universally connects to any manufacturer's load center, breaker box. Easy to use. High-quality product. Package weight of the product, 8 ounces. Top reviews from the United States. I am giving the Ultra 5 stars because I've installed around 15 of these in the last 3 years and they seem to be doing what they are designed to do. But that's the thing with surge protectors. You never know. It is rated at 108,000 amps, making it considered to have a degree of lightning protection. Nothing on the market will protect you from a direct lighting strike. This is designed for surges through utility lines and some lightning protection through the earth, but not direct. One thing is certain, to have nothing equals nothing. Very easy to install. Forget warranties. If it gets fried and your electronics are still okay, it did its job and gave up the ghost. If it's fried along with your electronics, then know that the strike was over its limitations. Turn off the circuit breaker to the unit if you ever use a portable generator during a power outage. Generators are brutal on surge protectors as well as any other electronics because of the voltage fluctuations.